Year 10 Trigonometry Exam Practice Question 22. A light aircraft is set to fly on a course north 78 degrees east for a distance of 350 kilometers. A strong easterly wind blows the plane off course by 6 degrees. Draw a labeled diagram to show this situation. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my compass posts. So that just means I'm going to do my north and west, northeast socky weed beaks. Okay, so let's have a look. The first thing it says up here is we go north 78 degrees east. So I'm starting north and I go 78 degrees east just so I can draw a clear picture. I'll go here. But I'll say that this is 78 degrees. Then it says we've traveled for 350 kilometers, 350 k's. So that's what we know. Now let's look at what we need to work out. It also says that a strong easterly wind blows the plane off course by 6 degrees. It's easterly, so that means it blows us more east 6 degrees. So I'll just exaggerate it. Okay, so we know this area in here is 6 degrees. And they would have traveled the same distance of 350 kilometers. So we've got our diagram. Now we need to look at part B. And it says if the pilot flies the planned distance on this incorrect path, how far off course will he be at the end of his journey? So this is where I'm going to turn it into a triangle, and it will be an isosceles triangle because he's traveled exactly the same amount of distance, which means I can cut it into two. So with my triangle now, I'm just going to draw it separately. I've cut 6 degrees into 2, and that gives me 3 degrees. I know I've traveled 350 kilometers here, but I'm looking at the distance. Well, this is half of the distance, which is opposite. So to find out the opposite, I'm going to use the sine ratio. So sine 3 degrees is equal to opposite over 350. I will then times both sides by 350. And that will get me 350 times sine 3 degrees is equal to my opposite. So that tells me my opposite side is 18.317. But that, if I look at my diagram, is only this part. I need to double it to also work out the rest of it. So I need to go 18.317 times 2, and the distance that I'm off track is 36.635 kilometers.